Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new, before we get started, if you are new and you know you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, take a look at this GBP, right? GBP USD. I highlighted this level, which is 1.22368 which is 1.22362. I told you guys that GBP USD will actually clock this level, especially on the weekly time frame. I actually did analysis on the weekly time frame. I told you guys that you should watch out for this level, that GBP USD will definitely come to hit this level. Guess what? We've actually gotten to the level and we've broken above it. And I also told you guys that there will be a drop at this level, right? So be watching out for that drop. Possibly it can be a pullback, because we are seeing that our USD is now dropping. Because what I was taking is that our USD index, either it continues to go bearish or it's continuing to push up, right? Above all, we should all watch out for this level, right? So if in case USD index, like I said, if this USD index continues the bullish move, then we would see a drop on this GBP USD. But guess what? We are not having that bullish move on USD index. Rather, we are having a bearish move. So that is to tell you that our GBP USD will continue to go bullish. But at the same time, this level is still an important level. I told you guys that if price react to a level previously, right? If price gets to a level and it reacts to that level, right? Price, especially it react to the level previously multiple times, and price gets to that same level, price should be able to react to that level again. So we can see that price has once reacted to this level. See, one of the reasons why I talked about this level, we should watch out for this level. We saw price came to this level, it went up. You can see double top here at this level, right? Price actually came to this level, give us double top, then it dropped. So this is the level that I want you guys to watch out for. So now that this price has gotten to this level, so be expecting a pullback. Reason is that we will be having a drop on USD index. That is to tell you that our USD index or DXY will be dropping. So any other currency pairs, we will be trading to our USD, right? Any other currency pairs, we will be trading to our USD to give us a bullish move. So we would be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So we would want to go bullish. But at the same time, before we actually take a buy, I think we should actually wait for a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. But before we get to the 4-hour time frame, take a look at this trend on GBP USD. You clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. So you will see that this is an impulse move. Then a correction was made here. Then we add another impulse move on GBP USD. Here comes the correction. Yeah, right. We add another impulse move. Here comes the correction, right? A new ice was made that broke this previous ice. Guess what? A correction was made. Now a new ice has been made. So we would continue to go bullish though. Then I believe on the 3 time frame, price should be able to come to test this level, which I believe and it will go up. So watch out that this is how we expect price to play out. On the daily time frame though, on the daily time frame, we should expect this price to push up, then a pullback should be made before we continue the bullish move. But before we actually place a buy, before we continue this buy, let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at the movements I'm all talking about. See the movement that I highlighted, right? I told you guys that there will be a pullback. So see the bullish move, and this is the pullback we're having. So maybe once the pullback is over, then we can go ahead to go long. So let's see what our Fibonacci retracement says. So this is our Fibonacci. Okay, our Fibonacci retracement, this pullback has gotten to a level of 23.6. I think that is a good opportunity to buy now on the 4-hour time frame, guys. So I mean, if you want to enter, if you want to go long on this GBP USD, I think this will be the good opportunity to actually take a buy. Notice that we have about, is it up to, I think, less than an hour for our London section to open. So I'm doing this an analysis early in the morning. So we have about an hour for this London session to open. So you can possibly go long on this GBP USD. And if possible, you want to wait for this price to actually drop to a level of 50%, then you can possibly wait, because I think there's still possibility or probability that this price can drop further down, right? But there's no sign now, no like major news that might change the direction of this movement. So we should continue to go bullish. And by the way, today is Monday, Friday, right? So I personally do not take trade on Friday, because price or movement on Friday is very much unpredictable. So I try to stay away from taking trade on Friday. But for those that want to take this trade, we should expect to go long on this 23.6. I strongly believe that price will push off from this level. And if price eventually drops, then we should see the rejection at this 50. It must definitely not drop below 50. Reason is that we saw price has reacted here. So if in case price comes to this level, we should see price react to this level. Couple it to the fact that this is at the mid of Fibonacci, which is 50. So be expecting a bullish move from this level, but I don't think price will actually drop to that level. So I strongly don't believe. So I see here as a bullish move on GBPUSD. So this level of 23.6, we should expect to go long on Fibonacci on our GBPUSD. Copy with the fact that this 4 hour time frame is giving us a bullish move. Can you clearly see that? Assuming this 4 hour time frame was dropping like this, on this 4 hour time frame, we are seeing this lower lows, lower highs like this. The advice would be just stay out of this trade, but we clearly can see that this 4 hour time frame is going long. So we can go long on this GBP We can also see that the price is still above our moving average. Take a look at this movement here. The price was below the moving average, right? So I mean, like I said, if it was bearish, I would have advised you to start on this trade. But clearly, we can see this price is giving us bullish move, and it is above our moving average. So still an indication we have to go long on GBP Now let's see what this 1 hour time frame says. So we can see that this price is kind of ranging here. I think price is failing to break this lows. So we just need the London section or possibly the New York section to open to be able to push this price. Then more US buyers will come, more US sellers will actually come in. More traders definitely come in during the London and New York section. And right now the London section is about to open, so this is why we're having this ranging markets move. Maybe once the London section opens, we should see some good movements on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, we are aiming to go long for the day, but a pullback, once the pullback is over, once we have the pullback is over, then we can go long.